Do you aspire to become a millionaire? If so, you need to know about the 7 income streams that millionaires use to build their wealth. These 7 streams can help you create financial security and achieve your financial goals. Many people believe that millionaires become rich by having a high-paying job. However, this is not always the case. In fact, many millionaires have multiple streams of income. This means that they earn money from different sources, which helps to diversify their income and reduce their risk. A 2018 article published by CNBC brought to light an interesting aspect of millionaires. They often have multiple streams of income. 65% had 3 streams of income. 45% had 4 streams of income. 29% had 5 or more streams of income. Having multiple income streams is a wise financial decision. If one stream of income is interrupted, the others can help you maintain your lifestyle without making major changes. Most people rely on a single source of income, their job. If you lose your job and have not saved or invested your money in assets that generate additional income, you could lose everything. It is risky to put all of your eggs in one basket. If that basket breaks, you could be left with nothing. In this video, I will discuss the 7 income streams of millionaires. Before I continue, if you're new here, please hit the subscribe button so you make sure to never miss my weekly videos on wealth creation tips. 1. Earned income. Earned income is income that is received in exchange for work performed. This includes wages, salaries, tips, commissions, bonuses, and net earnings from self-employment. Many American millionaires achieved their wealth through hard work and wise financial decisions. Author Tom Corley interviewed 225 millionaires over 5 years and found that most of them fell into one of 4 categories. Saver investors. These people are obsessed with saving, investing, and growing their wealth. They may have any type of job and income, but they are disciplined with their finances and make smart investment decisions. Company climbers. These people devote themselves to climbing the corporate ladder. They are hard workers who are always looking for ways to advance their careers and earn higher salaries. Virtuosos. These people are the best at what they do in high-paying fields like medicine and engineering. They use their experience and knowledge to command high salaries and build wealth. Big-timers. This category includes people who achieved wealth through fame or fortune, such as pro athletes, successful actors, and musicians. Corley's research suggests that anyone can become a millionaire through hard work, discipline, and financial savvy. No matter what your job or income, you can achieve wealth by saving, investing, and working hard to advance your career. 2. Passive income. Passive income is income that you earn without having to actively work for it. It can come from a variety of sources, such as investments. Dividends from stocks, interest from bonds, and rental income from real estate are all examples of passive income from investments. Intellectual property. Royalties from books, music, or inventions are examples of passive income from intellectual property. Businesses. Some businesses can generate passive income, such as franchise businesses or businesses that sell products or services that require little ongoing management. Side hustles. Some side hustles can generate passive income, such as dropshipping or affiliate marketing. Passive income can be a great way to supplement your income or reach financial independence. However, it is important to note that passive income is not always guaranteed. Investments can lose value, intellectual property can be stolen, and businesses can fail. It is important to do your research and invest in assets that you believe have the potential to generate passive income for the long term. 3. Business income. Many self-made millionaires started their businesses from scratch. They worked long hours and made many sacrifices in order to build their businesses into successful enterprises. Some millionaires have grown their wealth through side hustles. If you are not willing or able to quit your day job to start a business, you can always consider side hustles. Owning a business can open up a world of limitless income possibilities. For example, if you are a developer and you create a game during your off hours, that game could develop a following and passively earn you an extra $100 per day. This would amount to an additional $3,000 per month. You can take this money and reinvest it in your business to make more, or you can leverage your side hustle to save more money tax-free. There are many business ideas that can generate income. Here are a few business ideas which you can choose to do full-time or as side hustles. Freelance writing or editing. If you have a knack for writing or editing, you can offer your services to businesses or individuals. There are many websites that can help you connect with clients, such as Upwork and Fiverr. Virtual assistant. Virtual assistants provide administrative, technical, or creative assistance to clients from a remote location. This is a great way to use your skills and experience to help others, while also working from home. Web design or development. If you have experience with web design or development, you can offer your services to businesses or individuals who need help creating or updating their websites. Social media marketing. Social media marketing is a great way to help businesses reach their target audience and grow their customer base. If you have experience with social media platforms, you can offer your services to businesses to help them create and manage their social media campaigns. Online courses. If you have expertise in a particular subject, you can create and sell online courses. This is a great way to share your knowledge with others and make money at the same time. These are just a few business ideas that can generate income. The best way to find the right business idea for you is to consider your skills, interests, and passions. Once you have an idea, do your research and make sure there is a market for your product or service. With hard work and dedication, you can turn your business idea into a successful reality. 4. Dividend income. Dividend income is a type of passive income that investors receive from companies that choose to distribute some of their profits to shareholders. Dividends are typically paid out on a quarterly basis, and they can provide a steady stream of income for investors. To qualify for dividend income, you must own shares of a company that pays dividends. The amount of dividend income you receive will depend on the number of shares you own and the dividend yield of the company. Dividend yield is the percentage of a company's earnings that is paid out in dividends. There are several factors that can affect the amount of dividend income you receive, including the company's profitability. Companies that are more profitable are more likely to pay dividends. The company's financial health. Companies that are financially healthy are more likely to be able to afford to pay dividends. The company's dividend policy. Some companies have a policy of paying regular dividends, while others only pay dividends when they have excess profits. Dividend income can be a great way to generate passive income and grow your wealth over time. However, it is important to remember that dividend income is not guaranteed. Companies can choose to cut or eliminate dividends at any time. 5. Royalties and licensing. Royalties and licensing are a less common but important way to generate income. If you create a product, idea, or process, you can license it to others and collect a fee every time they use it. Royalties can be earned on a variety of things, such as songs, books, and inventions. Royalties and licensing are great because they can provide a steady stream of income. For example, if you invent a new waffle iron and a company buys the design, you will earn a royalty on every waffle iron that is sold. This can provide a reliable source of income for the foreseeable future. 6. Interest payments. For some of us, we know interest as the extra money that we pay to the bank, credit card company, or mortgage lender every month. That's their charges for lending us money to buy things that we didn't have the cash to purchase outright. For wealthy individuals, interest payments are received rather than paid. Millionaires frequently earn compound interest through non-equity lending vehicles such as high-yield savings accounts, certificates of deposit CDs, bonds, and peer-to-peer lending, in which they lend money to investors, businesses, individuals, and organizations. 7. Rental income. Rental income can make money in a few different ways. Cash flow. This is the money that you receive from rent each month after you have paid all of your expenses, such as mortgage payments, property taxes, insurance, and maintenance. If your cash flow is positive, you are making money on your rental property. Appreciation. The value of real estate can go up over time, which means that you can sell your rental property for a profit. This is known as capital gains. Tax benefits. There are a number of tax benefits that you can enjoy as a landlord, such as depreciation deductions and mortgage interest deductions. These tax benefits can help to offset the cost of owning a rental property and can even make you money in the long run. It is important to note that rental income is not always guaranteed. There are a number of factors that can affect the amount of rental income you receive, such as the local economy, the condition of your property, and the number of available rental properties in your area. If you are considering investing in rental property, it is important to do your research and make sure that you understand the risks involved. However, if you are willing to put in the work, rental income can be a great way to make money and build wealth. Here are some additional tips for making money from rental income. Buy a property in a good location. The location of your rental property is one of the most important factors that will affect its value and rental income. Choose a property in an area that is in high demand and that has a strong economy. Make sure the property is in good condition. Tenants are more likely to stay in a rental property that is well maintained and clean. Make sure to make any necessary repairs or renovations before you rent out the property. Be a good landlord. Tenants are more likely to pay their rent on time and take care of your property if you are a good landlord. Be responsive to their needs and take care of any problems promptly. By following these tips, you can increase your chances of making money from rental income. The 7 income streams of millionaires are a great way to build wealth and financial security. By diversifying your income, you can protect yourself from financial risks and ensure that you have a steady stream of income coming in. If you are looking to become a millionaire, consider developing new skills, starting a business or a side hustle, or investing in passive income assets. I hope this video helps you in being one step closer to your financial goals. Please give a thumbs up on the video if you have enjoyed watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more wealth creation tips. I'd see you in the next video. Bye.